So, I did all the carpentry videos when I was doing the offices, and I thought I'd do another one here. Now, when I took this up, I immediately noticed what the issue was. Have a look at where the nails are. Yeah, some bright spark has tried to nail it in without the thing being supported. So I'm not surprised the entire board has eventually shattered. Now, my plan is to put a supporting beam in, use courtesy of this wood, across here, so I can support it more properly. And possibly I will stick it actually underneath that, but also to cut this back to about level here. Probably going to have to use a chisel for that. To make sure that's nice and straight, so I can put the board in and insert it there. But that's not the only place I have to do some. We also have this joyous one position, which, as you can see, is over a garage and isn't full of insulation, which is great. But also, have a look at that. Yeah, I'm not sure how it's happened. I don't really want to know, but that's how it's supposed to be at that end. And as you can see, this has slowly got progressively lower. It's been screwed in, all sorts of things along, and it goes further along. So, I'm going to have fun fixing that one. And that's not even the piece de resistance. The piece de resistance is, when I got this up, I found that the entire floorboard, the entire length of the floorboard, was basically had a crack down the middle of it, which had spiral ones off it. So it was cracked into roughly 30 pieces. And that's my task for today. Fun times.